Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix EA Sports College Football 25 crashing on PS. If you're experiencing crashes, the first thing you should do is check for software updates for your PS console. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select a system. From there, choose System Software and then System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Next, ensure your game is updated to the latest version. From the PS Home screen, hover over the game icon, press the Options button on your controller and select Check for Update. If there is an update available, download and install it before launching the game again. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. To restart your PS, hold down the power button on the console until you hear a second beep. Once the console has fully shut down, press the power button again to turn it back on. If the game continues to crash, you can try rebuilding the game's database. Turn off your PS console. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button. Release the power button after you hear 2 beeps. This will boot your PS into safe mode. Connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. From the Safe Mode menu, select Rebuild Database. This process may take some time, but it can help resolve issues caused by corrupted data. If rebuilding the database doesn't work, you can try deleting and reinstalling the game. Be aware that this will delete all your saved data, so make sure you have backups if needed. To delete a game, go to Settings, Storage Console, Storage Games and Apps. Select the game you want to delete, press the Options button and choose Delete. Once the game is deleted, reinstall it from your game library or disk. If you're still experiencing crashes after trying these steps, it's best to contact EA Sports customer support for further assistance. You can find their contact information on the EA Sports website. When contacting support, be sure to provide them with details about the crashes, including any error messages you encounter. If possible, provide crash logs and any relevant information, as this can help them troubleshoot the issue more effectively. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.